Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you the little bit of greenery I try to keep at my place and how it makes me so happy and it helps my well-being. It makes me feel good through the day, and I cannot wait to come back home by the evening. If you really think about it, these are living people, almost like I could communicate with them and they respond to me by growing well. Hello, welcome back to another video. Like I've already told you, this is going to be about the little green buddies I keep at home here. My green plants which help me, which give me a lot of benefits through the day and every day. Let me start with how it adds visual appeal to your places, to your homes. Look at that little baby sitting right there, and there are a few already here at this home, and I just love the look of it. This adds a lot of beauty to your surroundings, to your premises that you would love to be at your own home, cozying up with all the greenery there, with a cup of tea or coffee, whichever you would like. And secondly, the color green. It seems the psychology of the color green is that it relaxes you and it gives you a sense of security. It gives a feeling of peace within, and it totally helps you be calm. And what more do you want in such a world where everything is racing and it's all a confusion all around? You would want to come back to your place and be calm and relaxed. And they say that's why the green rooms are being used before a performance, because the green in the room refers to being calm before you get onto a stage, to be in a tranquil space, to give your best on stage. Same thing is used by a few doctors, it seems, before important surgeries. They do have a space where people sit in more of a greener area, which calms them down. And it purifies the air. So what a plant does is exactly opposite of what we do. We take in the oxygen and we release carbon dioxide. So these buddies give us the oxygen we need while they take in the carbon dioxide. So it's a very beautiful relationship that goes on inside our places. And that's again one other reason for you to have the green buddy home. Another major thing which I feel is, you need to have a great space to come back home to. No matter how difficult your day was, no matter how threatening your situations were outside, you would want to be coming back to a space where you can call it your haven, your home. It's also almost like, they give you company. If you take care of them, they respond to you with such beauty that the care that you put in makes it look like it's worth it, all the efforts that you put in. It's a harmonious relationship that happens between you and the plants. And you can see that with all the little sprouts. So that's another point which I wanted to share, that the hope and faith it instills in you is something amazing. Recently, I had this bamboo shoot which was given to me by my friend. He ensured that the shoots will come out, but it took quite a long time and nothing was happening. So I thought it dried down or it was not going to come. You wouldn't believe it. And another day or two from there, I saw those little shoots coming, and it was such a feeling of joy that I had almost given up, but then there it was. So that's the kind of hope and faith you feel. You're looking forward to something, and the kind of joy that you feel when you see them growing, when you see them being maintained. Some plants are like that you keep it in water and they are maintained there. Another beautiful thing is the belief that you feel in the universe, because there are certain things which is not definable. How much soever I am a person of science and person of logic and person of understanding, there are certain things in this beautiful world that you cannot understand, and how these little guys grow from a small little seed to a plant, or how they sprout or shoot leaves out. It's just a magical thing for me, at least. where the sense of belief in that universe, in that energy around me, keeps growing. And this will be a regular reminder if you keep them at home, about the energy of the universe. That's a few which I wanted to share with you about the greenery. And I want you to get at least one today, one little plant. It need not be even something that you splurge on, go buy this plant and the pot, no, nothing like that. You just have a small little bottle at your place and pick one of those plants out. Many around, actually, the money plants are around, ZZ plants are around. There are many that are around, and I think you just go. Bamboo shoots, you'll have plenty of bamboo shoots around you. So you just go get one and take a bottle from your place and put it there, and then watch it do wonders to itself and to your life. And then you will become crazy about it as well and grow more at your place. That's about it for today. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.